You got a corner lot, you got a lot of fence. Taking all this out. We're gonna put new posts in and give you a new fence.
The scary chain link fence is gone. The 140-foot new fence will be made of hog wire.
Now the key to creating these panels, and we've got 20 of them, is this dado that we ran in each one of the boards. Now these dados are a 1/2 inch deep, 3/8 inch wide, and a dado means you're running a groove down the center of the board. So what that does, it allows us to picture frame the hog panel. We're gonna go ahead and slide this in and kind of watch how snug this hog panel gets when we actually slide it in that dado. And now we can just picture frame around the whole thing. This is the first of about 20 fence posts going in. Now this is 6x6 cedar. I chose cedar because it's gonna hold up really well to the elements.
Yard marking paint makes quick work of sketching in the fence line and spots for the posts, which will be about 7 feet apart.
First panel, what we're gonna do is, we've got a certain section, it's 7 feet long. We're gonna attach them first, then we know exactly where this post needs to be, then we can actually cement it in.
A tip for keeping your panel in the middle of the post, make a jig.
Now what this jig does is it gives us our offset. And we want to pre-drill this first, because this is cedar.
Okay.
It will crack, so by pre-drilling, you're going to avoid that.
It's a new yard, new house. It's amazing.
I love the entryway and the color around it, the gates.
It's a little private escape. It's just gorgeous.